Now, when the F-Type Coupe R was launched, everyone thought Jaguar had pushed it to the limit of what the F-Type could do. But then, of course, came Project 7, created by the Special Vehicle Operations, and that's what led to this, which is a production version of what is supposed to be the fastest, most dynamically sophisticated F-Type ever, the F-Type SVR. Well, today we're getting a chance to put it through its paces out on the test track for high speed and, of course, in different kinds of scenarios. Well, the idea is that Jaguar say that this is not a track-focused car, even though performance is supposed to be the best an F-Type has ever had, but it's a sports car that people can really use every single day. So let's find out if it is.
First up was a flat-out acceleration test. That's the 100, 130, and yep, 0.6 of a mile. The 140 kilometers per hour came up in just under a kilometer. Numbers fly by in a flash, and the 5-liter supercharged V8 engine that pumps out 575 HP and 700 Nm of torque feels like a fire-breathing dragon, loud and vicious as it pushes you back in your seat every time you accelerate hard. But it moves like a cheetah at great speeds with such ease that it's completely satisfying. 0 to 100 is just 3.7 seconds. More of the pace was experienced on the high-speed track, and the first thing to grab my attention was the low, deep growl as I pinned my foot to the floor. It's just amazing. This soundtrack is just something else. It brings out complete emotion. With an empty open track and no speed limits, I had my foot flat on the accelerator. And it was not only the soundtrack that was thrilling. Doing like 170 down this straight, and it inspires just so much confidence. Acceleration is effortless, and it feels like you're surfing a giant wave of torque almost always. The 8-speed gearbox works superbly too and feathers up the gears without you realizing. But knock it into sport and shift the dials to dynamic and it changes character immediately. And in dynamic mode, the shifts are much stronger, you can feel them come in, throttle response is just so much quicker. And getting up to crazy speeds is just so easy. And you don't feel it because the car just feels so stable, so planted. Long sweeping corners on the track are easily conquered. You come into a corner really feeling like you can go around it much faster. Steering inspires confidence, brake inspires confidence. This car is not wild, it's well-mannered, and so you can go much quicker in it without feeling the need to back off. To further test the dynamic capability, we had a slalom setup. In these quicker changes of direction, although the steering felt positive and pointed the nose accurately, I did feel the weight of the car and the body roll. This may not be a slalom winner, but it's still good enough to have some fun. Finally, it was time to take it into simulated real-world conditions. We're going to go through different kinds of road conditions, ruts, potholes, and see how the ride holds up. The SVR impresses here. It soaks up everything with a suppleness that's pretty amazing for a sports car. Even in the firmest of settings, it didn't make me wince, even once. It just sailed over all the conditions thrown at it. And so after a very short stint in the Jaguar F-Type SVR, I had a first impression.
So is this a sports car that people can drive to work every day? Well, it definitely fires up your senses, and it's got a huge amount of emotional appeal as well. But more than that, it is definitely more drivable, it is quicker, and it is comfortable to use. So I think Jaguar have done what they set out to do.